Legal dictation number 22, 100 words per minute. Ready for the dictation. Start. The funds were raised through convertible debentures with a view to raise capital, and therefore it would be capital expenditure. Full stop. In the case of Punjab State Industrial Development Corporation Limited, it was a case of loan that was held to be not an asset, and it was to secure finance for a certain period. Full stop. A loan has to be repaid, but in the matter of conversion of debenture into a share, the money is never repaid but appropriated towards capital. Full stop. Therefore, convertible debenture is not a loan. Full stop. Intention in this case was to raise share capital and not to raise the money by way of a loan. Full stop. Money received is not to be refunded in both the cases. Full stop. Both are in the nature of securities listed in the stock exchanges. Full stop. In both the cases, intention is to get back the investment by the subscribers. Full stop. No option is given for conversion after allotment of debenture. Full stop. The calculation of income from share and debenture stocks recognizes the fact that it was potentially a share. Full stop. It is to raise capital by issue of equity shares via media. Full stop. The loan or borrowings are retained by converting into equity shares. Full stop. The expenditure for raising the same could not be held allowable deduction. Full stop. If interest was not paid on borrowings, then the capital of assessees was held to be not allowable. Full stop. In this case, the question was that whether interest paid to the Northern Railway and the Punjab government in respect of the capital borrowed for purposes of the assessee's business was allowable, and in that connection borrowing came up for consideration, and it was held that the term borrow has not been defined in the act, and therefore its dictionary meaning has to be looked up. Full stop. The meaning of the word borrow given in the Oxford Dictionary as to take a thing on security given for its safe return. Full stop. To take a thing on credit on the understanding of returning it, or an equivalent, is borrowing. Full stop. There has to be a positive act of lending which should be coupled with acceptance by the other side of the money as a loan. Full stop. Thus, it is clear that an element of refund or repayment is inherent in the concept of borrowing. Full stop. Corporation may redeem the shares or stocks of the parties. Full stop. There is no provision in the Act which contemplates the repayment of the capital. Full stop. Due to statutory provision, the governments are obliged to provide capital. Full stop. Close.